This channel, Mr. Lemon, and this one, AI Genesis, have just started their channel for a few months and are already getting hundreds of thousands of views. And the best thing is, these channels are completely automated and are earning them thousands of dollars a month. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube automation. Here, you'll learn about the different types of YouTube channels, why choosing the right niche matters, a secret keyword strategy, and the steps to create a visually appealing and successful channel. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your existing channel, this video is packed with insights and practical tips. Let's get into it. Understanding channel types. On YouTube, channels typically fall into three categories. Niche channel. These channels focus on specific topics, such as finance, technology, health, or travel. They cater to a particular audience segment, providing targeted content that builds a dedicated following. Personal channel. Here, content revolves around the YouTuber's personality, life, and interests. These channels offer a diverse range of topics, often connected by the creator's unique perspective or experience. Hybrid channel. A blend of both niche and personal elements, these channels offer variety while maintaining a personal connection with the audience. They're versatile and can adapt to changing trends and interests. We're going to be focusing on a niche channel. Your choice of niche is more than just the content you produce. It directly impacts your channel's monetization potential. On YouTube, CPM, cost per mil, represents the revenue earned per 1,000 views. Niches with higher CPMs attract more advertisers and thus generate more revenue. For example, niches like finance and technology often see higher CPMs due to their lucrative audience. Top CPM niches are finance, make money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, and cars. Choose a niche you're passionate about. This not only makes content creation more enjoyable, but also increases the likelihood of long-term success. Look for evergreen niches that offer continuous relevance rather than fleeting trends. Ensure the niche is already popular, with high search volumes and significant YouTube viewership. Additionally, the chosen niche should offer monetization opportunities, whether through affiliate marketing or direct product sales. Consider niches with various subtopics to keep your content diverse and interesting. Niches to avoid. Certain niches pose challenges or offer limited monetization potential. Avoid niches like compilation videos without original commentary, re-uploads of movies or TV shows, use of copyrighted music, children's content due to lower ad rates, meditation videos without voiceovers. Effective market research. Begin by brainstorming niche ideas based on your interests and hobbies. Once you've compiled a list, research each niche to see if it already features popular videos on YouTube, preferably with over 100,000 views. Conduct this research using a logged-out browser to avoid personalized results. Starting with a specific sub-niche can help you gain initial traction, allowing for gradual expansion into broader topics within your chosen niche. Naming your channel. Your channel name is crucial for creating a memorable and searchable brand. Utilize AI tools like ChatGPT for creative and catchy name suggestions. Select a name that reflects your content and resonates with your target audience. Logo and banner creation. For your channel's visual identity, head to canva.com. Browse through a range of YouTube logo and banner templates, selecting one that aligns with your channel's theme. Customize the chosen design to suit your preferences. Download multiple versions, including those with transparent backgrounds, for flexibility in future uses. Optimizing channel layout. Feature your most popular video as a channel trailer to captivate new visitors instantly. Sort videos by popularity, showcasing the content that resonates most with your audience. This strategy can boost subscriber numbers and overall watch time. Now, let's verify your channel. Channel verification unlocks key features, including the ability to create custom thumbnails. Verify your channel in YouTube Studio by providing a phone number. For multiple channels, consider alternative methods like temporary online numbers. Next is adding a watermark. A watermark not only brands your content, but also serves as a subtle call to action for viewers to subscribe. Set up your watermark in YouTube Studio's branding section, displaying it throughout your videos. In YouTube Studio's settings, preset your upload options, such as default descriptions and language settings. This saves time and ensures consistency across your uploads. Now, fill out your channel's basic information, including a keyword-rich description and social media links. This step is crucial for discoverability and viewer engagement. Use VidIQ to identify channel keywords that resonate with your content and audience. Channel keywords are keywords that resonate with your channel and all your videos that you are going to upload. You want between 5 and 10 of these channel keywords. Now you want to go over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a channel description for you with all of these keywords. Once that's done, you want to put that description in your About section of your channel and in the description of all of your videos. This way, YouTube will put your videos in the recommended section if someone watches one of your videos. This will get you higher watch time and will boost your total views. Initially, aim to create and upload about 30 videos, analyzing their performance to fine-tune your content strategy. Draw inspiration from popular videos within your niche, adapting them to your style. Balance this with content targeting less competitive keywords but with high search volume as identified by VidIQ. I can't stress enough how important VidIQ is. If you want to grow on YouTube, this AI tool is a genuine cheat code. I will put a link down in the description for convenience. Script writing for your videos. There are two primary methods for script writing. AI-assisted script writing. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts and suggest suitable stock footage. This method offers a quick and efficient way to create cohesive and engaging scripts. Inspiration from popular content. Transcribe popular YouTube videos and rephrase the content using ChatGPT for originality. This approach ensures your content aligns with successful trends while maintaining uniqueness. Creating your voiceover. For voiceovers, choose between AI-generated voices and personal recordings. Text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs offer a range of realistic voices and customizable settings. Alternatively, create a digital copy of your voice for a more personalized narration. If you prefer real human voices, consider hiring professional narrators through freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Video production and editing. Choose between creating videos yourself or hiring professional editors. DIY video creation can be achieved using free stock footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. For a more polished look, professional editors can be found on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. And with that said, I really recommend hiring a professional to do the editing, because on YouTube, it's quality over quantity. Monetization strategies. Now that you have your videos, you need to start thinking about how to monetize them. The first way to monetize your videos is to put affiliate links in your description. These could be links to specific products or services you're talking about in your videos, or general products or services that appeal to your audience in your niche. Another way to earn money is, of course, getting enough views to get monetized on the YouTube platform itself. To get monetized, you need to have 4,000 watch hours on your channel. This doesn't include shorts, and you also need 1,000 subscribers. Something you can also do is not only upload your videos on YouTube, but on Rumble as well. This is a competitor from YouTube and also pays its creators for views. If you want to learn even more about how to successfully create a YouTube automation cash cow channel, I have put a link down in the description of a completely free course that will go more in depth on this topic and the secret keyword strategy of VidIQ that we discussed before. To sum up, utilize AI tools like VidIQ to gain insights into search trends and competition. This information is invaluable for planning and optimizing your content strategy. Use ChatGPT to craft engaging descriptions containing your channel keywords. This approach enhances your content's discoverability and engagement. Mix popular recreated content with unique, low competition but high search volume topics. Analyze video performance to refine your strategy continually. Focus on quality over quantity in video production. Utilize AI tools for efficient channel optimization and content planning. Following these guidelines, you're equipped to create a successful YouTube automation cash cow channel that resonates with your audience and stands out in the competitive digital landscape. Remember, consistency, creativity, and engagement are key to growth and success. Best of luck on your YouTube journey. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.